me once, fool me twice. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. You could get replaced, ayy.
Hey, welcome to the vlog. It's your girl, Sweetie Mimi, the bougie bread. I'm currently at Anytime Fitness. I really do not want to go in here. I like really do not want to go in here. But we're going to go up in here and get our workout on. I'm going to probably stay about 45 minutes. And then after that, I want to go and find me a place to get a pedicure at. Yeah, I haven't been to the nail shop in a long time. Been doing my little press-ons. So yeah, just keeping them basic and simple with the press-ons. And my toes normally been up in some gym shoes, so girl. But it's summertime now, so we need our feet to be looking cute. So let me go on this Anytime Fitness. I'm trying to see if they got the address on here before I show y'all, but I don't think so. I'm gonna show you. So there it is.
Tell you if you beat it up like Bossy. I'm a killer with the shoe, no ceiling.
Basically, I'm back at home. I'm about to try to make that little ramen noodle bowl thing and see how that goes. I'm about to put what I like to eat up in it. So there's that. My battery is low, so let me try to get some kind of footage of me cooking this for y'all. All right, I'm about to wash my hands and get started. We are in the car now. We're about to go to sit down and eat. Oh, she is closing. It's 11:42. About to go find something to eat, and yeah, I guess y'all gonna see what we're doing. I had to get gas, so I'm at the gas station and waiting for it to get. Dang, these people out here today. Go home.
No, they're unstocking. I guess they got orders. What'd they get?
Who?
The store.
Oh no, she just parked her car any kind of way.
Oh.
That girl.
She just come in the store yelling.
Right, people get that's why I tell you, it's all kind of people. Oh, Sanaj, it's all kind of people out here. Okay, my gas about to be done.
Yeah, go back to Lake Street with all that mess. Y'all from Lake Street? Hey guys, so I'm grounded right now. I might get out tomorrow.
Active over here. Wow. Girl, shoot, was she gonna take my door off? And they wait to get on the pump. Y'all about to wait a minute because I gotta put my GPS on. I do not drive without my GPS. So then people be getting mad like I supposed to move just because you waiting. No sir. Sure, you're gonna have to wait because I have to do this first. Why should I have to figure out where to go? Oh, permanently closed.
What?
That location is permanently closed.
What rings is
that location.
I was about to say.
And I don't want to go to no Cheesecake Factory. And that's one probably Mall of America. I do not want to go into the mall.
Yeah, it's always crowded there, especially on the first day.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You already know how it's gonna be.
Let me check in with y'all once we figure this out. Here at the Buffalo's Wild Wings. What's in what?
The loaded ice cream.
I don't wanna care so much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder.
Say hey. Yeah, so we about to eat. Get wood to do with it.
I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something new that's been further down the rabbit hole.
Man.
Down to go, down to go.
Alright, we are going to go into Barnes and Nobles. We are about to go up into Barnes and Nobles. They got a Burlington over here, and they got a, I think that was Home Goods. Let's go.
Hey, hit that like button and subscribe if you want us to get out of here quick. And don't cause Mom to go on a shopping spree, because Mom is on a budget right now, is she not? Wait,
F that bud. I would like an action book. A foot away.
and if she did wait for us, if she did.
Did you go?
Me? I think I just saw one. It's dirty like this. These ones are dusty, but that's it. Oh, that's because that's stuffing stuff.
Yeah, you gotta pull that out.
Mom, this.
Bring it. You gotta pull all that out. How much are these Nikes? Look at the price and buy them. Still tight. You gotta do all that to get in them. I don't like stuff shoes like that.
Oh, they fit actually nice.
Do that.
They feel comfy.
We're in Burlington. We're in Burlington right now. I'm just browsing around. It took us like 50 hours to get up in this store because we couldn't find the entrance. Well, I couldn't, and they couldn't. And they tried to help. Kids didn't know. We didn't know. I didn't know. But we made it up in here. It smelled like one of them old aunties' purses. Oh, that might be her. Okay. We up in Walmart, y'all. Right here shopping. We got some strawberries. And then I thought this backpack was cute.
I think I should take it as a
Samir said no. I said yes. He said no.
because a bully has this.
Well, we gonna change the narrative. Means we having some cute t-shirts. Man, I don't be seeing it.
I'm trying in my slips a bit going.
Let me see. Like these. Super Day. Father's Day coming, y'all. Get your daddy a shirt. Get your daddy a shirt.
There
was all a big mistake. Never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends. I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, told you once
Okay, I really didn't show y'all Sanaje vacuum in the back, if you could hear that. I really didn't show y'all what we had got from when we went to the mall. The card was out of storage, so I had to change it over. But I didn't show y'all the stuff we had got, so that's what I'm about to do. Well, some of it, the boys got their own shoes. They took them to their room or whatever. But I feel like I'm close. Got my head cut off. Whew, I guess whatever, right? Alright, that's kind of better. But Samir had got this little cherry backpack. This what he wanted. I saw a pink one in there. I was going to get the pink one. I'll shut that door because that vacuum loud. But Alexa, turn fan off. Alexa, turn fan off. That girl be listening when she won't. But yeah, I seen a pink one. I don't know, it was like a pastel light pink, so I ain't go ahead and get it, but Samir got this one. And we went to Walmart. They had this little cute backpack. I seen this, and it was on sale, so I was like, why not? I need a backpack to be carrying my stuff in. So yeah, we got this. What else? So Najee, when we was at Famous Footwear, he got this little Nike headband. It was $5. He said he wanted a headband. I was like, what? Okay. So he got that. It feel like a desert up in here, y'all. A desert. I got this shirt that I got on right now from Burlington. It's with this little dude. I don't know his name. Y'all know his name. Comment it below. I don't know who he is, but it was cute. And then I thought this was cute too. So I got this shirt also. Just something to throw on with my leggings and shorts. Something cute and something simple, you know. And then I also got, where's the shirt to this? Where the shirt at? And I know I had it. Oh no. One of them kids been in my bag. So I took the shirt out to that, but Samir got these little mouth things because I have my Listerine one, so he want to be like some ad. Then I got this Juicy Couture shirt. This was actually in one of the owls balled up sitting there, and I was like, what is this? Because blue is my favorite color, fun fact. So I thought this was so cute. And I got these pajamas from Walmart, but I don't see the shirt in. The shirt is the reason why I bought it. So like, what a shirt. These are cool and all, but it's just like some little camping type of mountain stuff on there. But that ain't why I bought it. I bought it for the shirt. So what the shirt? We gonna have to find that. My camera going dead. Yeah, I do not know where my shirt is, and it was definitely up in there. So that's about to upset me. I'm about to fold these clothes up and put this stuff up. I was gonna show y'all that, but my camera going dead. Well, I could bring the other camera down, so maybe I'll do that. We'll see. You'll see when you see me. You see me. Make sure y'all hitting that subscribe. All right. I'm out into later, girl. This dirty. Don't put that over there. Out to later. All right, the shirt was right there, y'all. Here's the shirt. It just says "Sleep Under the Stars." That goes with the shorts. Why did I not see them? I don't know. But yeah, that's that. So y'all, it's the end of the vlog. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for hitting that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. We are growing. We are growing over here on the YouTube. Yeah, if you came from any of my other socials, make sure you leave them double hearts so I can recognize you. And thank y'all so much. Comment down below, and I'm gonna see y'all up in the next one.
Get you to wake up.